Hey guys, it's Nicole, your go-to Bulacan Realtor, and welcome to Regent Heights, located in Barangay Poblacion, San Ignacio Street, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. For today guys, I'm going to give you a house tour, updated inventory, and sample computation. If you are looking for a complete finished townhouse with 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, a carport provision na ang starting total contract price ay nasa 3.5 million lang. Baka ito na yon dahil sa buong San Jose del Monte. Wala ka nang makikitang malaking townhouse na ganyan lang yung presyo. Tara, samahan niyo ako ngayon guys. Let's have a tour! This is our Alexa townhouse. You see at my back, guys. Napakaganda ng kanyang color kasi classic siya and very elegant, 'di ba? Alam niyo ba na ang location natin ay one ride sa Quezon City at Metro Manila kasi along the road po tayo and 100% no history of flood. So papakita ko lang, guys. Ito yung pinaka-gate natin. Ayan ha. Para makita nyo na talagang wow, along the road. Yan, dyan dumadaan yung mga bus, yung mga e-jeep, papuntang Quezon City, papuntang Manila, SM Fairview, Novaliches, Cubao, Santa Ana, Monumento, Balintawak, name it. One ride lang. Kaya kung accessibility ang hinahanap mo, malaking townhouse, Regent Heights, Alexa model na yan. Let's go. Floor and lot area, nasa screen. At ito yung magiging carport provision natin, guys. Diba? Pagpasok niyo po kay Alexa Townhouse, steel yung ating door. Tapos meron siyang parang hallway effect. Kaya tignan niyo tong model unit, guys. Pwede kang maglagay ng ganitong effecto. Hanging garden. Tapos, ang turnover nito guys, ito yung tinatawag nating complete finished. 60 by 60 yung tiles, meron na siyang ceiling na standard, white paint na siya, and nakapartition na yung mga bedrooms, meron ng toilet fixtures, yung ating kitchen ay L-shape over this side, L-shaped kitchen, at dahil sa sobrang laki ng floor area niya, kahit mag 6-seater dining table ka pa, pwedeng-pwede. So in short guys, townhouse to pero kahit na up to family of 6, pwedeng-pwede po dito. At ito na nga mang living space natin guys. Ayan, andito na rin yung kanyang stairs. Pero tignan muna natin yung kanyang first toilet and shower. Ang pinakamaganda dito kung ikaw gusto mo na malaking CR, ito na yon. Malaki po talaga, very spacious ang toilet and shower ni Alexa Maro. At syempre meron kang service area, laundry area, dirty kitchen, whatever. Ito. Tapos, ano to guys, meron na siyang partition. So, pwede mo naman siyang ipa-roof kapag ka na-turnover na sa'yo. Pwede ito maging laundry space. Let's go to the second floor. Itong ating second floor, ito ay concrete, yung kalahati, and then wood, yung sa stairs. Ito ay steel yung handrail. Naka-tiles na yung second floor, high ceiling na. So, ngayon guys, yung ating mga bedroom, so, naglaba kaya wala yung mga bed sheet and pillow sheet dito guys kasi nilabahan. Pero at least nakikita nyo na spacious ang kanyang tatlong kwarto, nakapartition na. So, si bedroom 1 to. And then maluwag yung hallway natin, di ba? May hallway pa tayo dito. And ito na ating bedroom number 2. Na high ceiling yung ating bedroom number 2. Pwede mong ipa-loft at napakaluwag. Kahit maglagay ka pa rin ng dalawang kama, pwedeng-pwede. Tapos yung space dito, guys, lalagyan mo yan ng customized na closet. Pwedeng-pwede. At syempre, your master's bedroom. Ang sukat po ng ating master's bedroom ay pwede po dito ang double bed at saka ang queen size. May dalawa siyang sliding window. At spacious pa siya, kaya meron kang napakalaking space meaning to say, ikaw po kasi yung magpapakustomize ng iyong closet, okay? So, let's go to the bedroom number, toilet and shower number 2. Yan, hindi mo kailangan bumaba. Kasi dito guys, ayan, may shower area ka sa second floor, di ba? So, yun yung best part nun guys, dahil meron kang 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, kay Alexa model sa Regent Heights. Let's go and talk about the price. Sample computation. Yes. Alexa model, you are indeed the most affordable and the biggest townhouse in the area of San Jose del Monte, a rising city na magkakaroon ng future MRT 7. Alam mo ba guys, just to give you a little bit of an overview, if you are not familiar with San Jose del Monte, this is a rising city, okay? We have two big malls over here, yung Star Mall, yung SM San Jose del Monte. Tapos, guys, mataas ang San Jose, kaya naman it's safe from flood. At alam nyo ba na maraming mga premium at mga high-end developer na may mga projects dito, gaya ng Ayala Land Premier, gaya ng Santa Lucia, Rockwell, may mga big and actually huge projects po sila sa San Jose del Monte. Mataas na po talaga ang value ng mga property dito. Kaya kung ikaw ay magkakaroon ng chance to own a townhouse, 3-bedroom townhouse in San Jose del Monte na napakaganda ng location kasi along the road, along the main highway. So yan guys, for only 3.5 million, you see on the screen ang sample computation niya. So yan, binibigay ko yung bank financing. Okay? So yan po siya. Nakita niyo naman ang affordable, no? Even the reservation is just 15,000. Tapos yung down payment niya, payable in 20 months. Or yan, nakita niyo naman sa screen. No interest po yan, guys. And then, pwede mong i-loan sa bank yung 90% na yung balance, okay? So, kapag naman nagpag-ibig ka, pwede rin. Pero ang pag-ibig kasi nila, guys, masyado nang mataas yung down payment. Like, ita-times 2 mo na yung nakikita mo sa computation ko ngayon. Times 2 or times 3. So, ganun po talaga, ha? Okay, so common misconception, akala nila pag pag-ibig mas mura. Well, not necessarily. Kapag pag-ibig po, mas mataas yung required down payment kasi mas maliit na lang yung ilulong. So, if you are the kind of buyer na willing ka naman magbayad ng malaking down payment, then you can go for pag-ibig. But if you are the kind of buyer na mahirap para sa'yo maglabas ng malaking pera every month sa down payment, then your best option is bank. Clear po ba? Yun lang naman po yung difference nun eh. If you're going to choose between bank or pag-ibig financing. But at least, ayan guys, may idea na kayo pati sa income natin, ha? So, for the required salary, pwede po dyan solo or combined income. Walang problema. Kung magka-partner kayo, mag-asawa, or just magka-partner lang, di ba? Or magkapatid, kamag-anak, family member, whatsoever, pwede po kayo maging co-borrower, okay? So, yan po siya guys. At syempre, tandaan po natin ang initial requirements. Pinapakita ko sa screen. Pag ready na yan, meron ka na yung mga nakikita mo sa screen, kontakin mo na kaagad ako sa aking Viber and WhatsApp number. Kasi bawal po mag-walk-in dito. Strictly, no walk-ins. So, kontakin mo lang ako. Yan, guys. Mention Regent Heights. Okay? Yun lang yun. And, kung gusto mo naman sa messenger ako kontakin, pwede rin. Ayan yung aking messenger. May blue check yan. Pwede nyo ako i-follow sa Facebook. So, that's a verified account. That's me. Legit yan. Kung ano yung profile picture ko sa YouTube account ko, ganyan din yung aking Facebook account, okay? Or Messenger. So, kontakin nyo na ako, guys, kahit saan dyan sa mga platform na yan, and I will reply to you as soon as I see your message. Again, no walk-ins. Pwede tayong mag-schedule ng tripping at least 1 to 2 days before. Wag naman yung bigla-bigla kasi syempre guys, marami din akong schedule. Kailangan ko yung ma-book sa calendar ko. Kaya dapat kontakin mo muna ako and we can schedule it. Just make sure lang yung mga pinakita kong requirements kanina, meron ka. Ready ka. Tama ba guys? Nagandahan ba kayo kay Alexa Townhouse na talaga namang complete finish na sa turnover? At pinakamalaking townhouse na natin sa San Jose del Monte. Let's have a last look sa ating classic beauty of Alexa model townhouse. Ayan guys, tignan nyo siya, yung kabuuan ni Alexa. This is your future home in San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, guys, to my YouTube channel. Again, my name is Nicole. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. All right, thank you guys. See you soon.